How are we able to test amber using a UV light? This is what we're going to talk about in today's video. And amber is known for its ability to fluoresce or emit a characteristic glow when exposed to ultraviolet light. This property is often used to authenticate and identify genuine amber from its imitations. Here's a simple guide on how to test amber using a UV light. All you would need is two materials, the UV light source and the amber specimen. Now, in regards to the UV light source, you can use a long wave UV light, which comes to 365 nm wavelength for best results. You can also find a portable UV light specifically designed for gemstone and mineral identification. In regards to the amber specimen, ensure that you have a piece of amber, preferably raw, that you want to test. Now, the first step is to choose a dark environment. Perform the test in a dark or dimly lit room in order to enhance the visibility of the fluorescence. The second step is to prepare the UV light source. Turn on the UV light source, make sure that it emits long wave UV light. And then you're going to examine the amber by holding the specimen under the UV light and observe its reaction. Genuine amber would typically exhibit a blue to greenish blue fluorescence. The intensity also and the color may vary among different amber specimens. Authentic amber may also show fluorescence in any inclusions like plant material, insects that it contains on the inside. Then you're going to compare with known samples, and that's optional. So if possible, compare the fluorescence of the amber in question with known authentic samples to get a better idea of what to expect. Now, before we end the video, there's three important tips I want you to be aware of. First off, regarding fluorescence variation, keep in mind that the fluorescence of amber can vary. Some ambers may give you a strong fluorescence while others show a weaker response. Also, in regards to imitations, certain plastics, we have resins, we have glass, they may also fluoresce under a UV light, but the color and the intensity are often different from genuine amber. And lastly, professional assessment. So for valuable or more significant pieces, consider seeking the opinion of a professional gemologist or expert who can give you more advanced testing methods. And remember that the UV testing is a useful tool. It should be used alongside other tests and considerations for a more comprehensive evaluation of amber's authenticity. Now, we also did another video talking about other ways that you can test amber to see if it is fake or it is authentic. I will link that video in the description box below. I'll see you in the next one.